If your Elementor Mailchimp integration is showing an error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest way to troubleshoot it step by step. This is especially useful if your forms are not connecting properly, your email sign-up widget is failing, or your API connection suddenly stopped working. We'll check the Mailchimp API key, open the right account settings, and verify Mailchimp's service status, so you can figure out whether the issue is on your side or on Mailchimp's side. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple WordPress and Elementor fixes. First, let's check the API keys inside your Mailchimp account. Start by logging into Mailchimp and opening your dashboard. In the top right corner, click your profile icon. From the menu, select Account and Billing. This is where Mailchimp keeps the settings you need for connected tools and account details. Once you're inside Account and Billing, look for the Extras tab. Click it, then select API keys. This will open the page that lists all of your Mailchimp API keys. Now take a moment to review the existing key that you are using with Elementor. Make sure the key is active and hasn't been deleted, rotated, or copied incorrectly. A small typo in the key can cause the connection error, so it's important to confirm everything carefully. If the key looks correct, the next step is to check whether Mailchimp itself is having a service issue. Open a new tab and go to status.mailchimp.com. This page shows the current status of Mailchimp services. If there's an outage, degraded performance, or an incident affecting API access, that could be the reason Elementor is not connecting properly. In that case, the best solution may simply be to wait until Mailchimp resolves the issue. If the status page shows everything is working normally, then the problem is more likely related to your API key, your Elementor form settings, or the way the integration was connected. At that point, you may want to re-enter the API key in Elementor, disconnect and reconnect the Mailchimp integration, and double-check that the correct audience or list is selected inside your form settings. So to recap, open Account and Billing, go to Extras, open API keys, review the key, and then check Mailchimp's status page at status.mailchimp.com. These simple checks can save you a lot of time and help you fix the Elementor Mailchimp error much faster. If this video helped you out, please like the video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.